guys, so I'm going to do a really quick review on this Queen Beauty 613 wig from AliExpress. I ordered the Queen Beauty hair wig in 150% density in 12 inches. As you can see, the wig came in perfect condition. The wig came in a net that was in a plastic bag that came in the Queen Beauty package. Absolutely thrilled with that. This wig's lace was really thin, which was surprising, especially coming from an AliExpress vendor. On top of that, it came in the color light brown, which is perfect for my complexion, and the hair stays soft even after I dyed it. Honestly, best hair I've ever received from AliExpress. Now the first thing I did was wash my hair with the Shimmer Lights shampoo to give it some dimension. The Shimmer Light shampoo won't eliminate all the golden tones, but will eliminate the majority of them. I still wanted that dimension. I still wanted some strands of golden tones so that my hair would not fall so flat color-wise. So as you can see here, what I do is I put a good amount of the Shimmer Light shampoo onto the hair, and then I comb it through. Here you can specifically see what I was talking about as far as color dimension. The second thing that I did was low light the hair with Revlon's Color Silk Light Brown color 51. Now what I did was skip every other line that I wanted to dye, weaved the specific strands that I wanted to dye so that I could have different chunks of brown and for the bottom not to be fully light brown. So as I got to the top frontal, I switched up my method from a highlighting method to a balayage method. So basically what I did was just low light the roots and left the bottoms of the hair strands white so that I could have more of a blonde color at the top and more of a dimension at the bottom. washed the Lowlights out with Shimmer Light shampoo, so it turned everything kind of purple and gray, but I promise it's not what it looked like at the end. here I protect the lace with conditioner by spreading it all over the lace very carefully. And now I go in with the 60 Dark Ash Blonde Hair Dye by Revlon. I didn't use a specific method while dyeing this hair completely ash blonde because the complete cap was going to be dyed ash blonde, so I just basically went in different strands and combed through it so I can get an even distribution of the product. Now, depending on what look you want to go for, you're either going to towel dry it, mousse it, blow dry it, but here I just blow dried it to see my final result, and I was really happy with what I got. Because the lowlights of this hair are very subtle, they're more visible when the hair is wet. When I straighten the hair, the lowlights aren't very visible, however, I still love the look. If you want more lowlights, I suggest curling the hair rather than straightening it. I hope this video helped you guys out a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later. Bye!